Hello! Today let's learn some interesting phrases to express our preferences or give advice. There are three phrases: it's time, I'd rather, and I'd better. Let's start with it's time. The form of this phrase is simple. It's time plus subject and plus past simple. We use it's time I did something to mean I should have done something already or at least started it. So even though we use the past simple here, the meaning is in the present or future. We say that something should be done now or in the future. For example, it's time you did your homework, or it's time you went to the doctor. To make this phrase stronger, we can say it's high time. For example, I really think it's high time you took a decision. We can't go on like this any longer. So using this phrase, we criticize someone, and with the word high, we make criticism stronger. The second phrase is I'd rather. We can make two forms. The first form is subject plus would rather plus object and past tense. Sometimes we can also use then. I'd rather you did or didn't do something is used to talk about what you'd prefer someone else to do. For example, I'd rather you didn't smoke in here, or I'd rather you didn't tell Tom about this. So it means if you didn't tell Tom about this, it would be better. The second form is subject plus would rather plus infinitive and sometimes then. I'd rather do or not do something is used to talk about what you'd prefer to do. For example, I'd rather not spend all day lying on the beach. With then we compare our preferences. For example, I'd rather watch a comedy than a horror. And the last but not the least, the phrase I'd better. The form here is very simple. Subject plus had better and plus infinitive. I'd better do or not do something is used to talk about something when it is advisable to do. We use it for advice in the present or the future. For example, I'd better mend that window as soon as I can. Or, we'd better stop for petrol soon, the tank is almost empty. So it is advisable to do something. If we don't, there may be a problem or a danger. And the last example with the negative structure. Are you going out tonight? I'd better not. I've got a lot of work to do. So, this is it for today. Hope you learned the structures quickly and can go out soon.